as we see more buyers coming in from the likes of America, India, having the international network and ability to get to purchasers in those countries will be very important for Irish businesses thinking about selling. There's two sides to the Irish market. One, well-capitalised businesses that see M&A as a opportunity to expand and to develop strategically. And we are seeing an increase in that side of the business. The second side is the stressed market, where businesses, directors and the stakeholders in businesses see that M&A is an opportunity to merge and take out cost, or to invest further and buy businesses that can leverage scale. So there's definitely two sides to the market at present. Yes, certainly in Ireland, access to credit has been challenging. But the banks are lending, and we've been involved in deals with a number of the Irish banks in the last 6 to 12 months. We see opportunity and access to private equity, such as the BES scheme, which is currently underway, and will give private companies access to up to 10 million of equity under certain conditions, and that will enhance businesses' opportunities to leverage up and to get bank finance. Certainly we're seeing a lot of trade interest in Irish businesses. You see the likes of State Street, Northern Trust being involved in financial services. There has been private equity activity, and we see private equity coming in and seeking value in relation to some of the banks and in other transactions. I think on the outbound activity, we see Irish PLCs and large privates being active in the UK market and in the European market as well. So it is a mix. We're probably a little bit more focus on trade. From a buyer perspective, certainly access to credit and getting a deal over the line with a financial institution is a key issue. From a seller's perspective, having the confidence to go out and say this is a good time to sell is a big issue from a seller's point of view. So confidence and a right mix of capital are two key issues in the Irish market. We're still seeing people interested in going to markets that they know and understand. We're seeing businesses that are active in the UK market, seeking to expand strategically, looking for opportunities. We have a lot of businesses that are trying to buy in the Irish market, where they see that there may be value and ability to take out cost and synergies and strategic. But there's also activity in the European market, where Irish PLCs and Irish capitalised private businesses are going to Europe to look for opportunities. Yes, I think that there will be more activity in 2011, and I think the principal reason for that is confidence is starting to come back into the Irish market. Over a very difficult period over the last 2 years for businesses, people are starting to come out and say, look, this is a time to get my business plan back in action, to look strategically, and for well-capitalised businesses to get out there and make the acquisition that they have been putting off. So we're confident, and the people that we're talking to are confident about what is going to happen in the next year.